global automobile parts manufacturing firm. The pioneer. 대덕 Machinery. 대덕 Machinery, a first-generation automobile parts manufacturing company in Korea, has grown from propeller shaft manufacturing and automobile repair to domestic commercial vehicle transmission parts manufacturing. After 10 years of transition since 1998, Strong Small Enterprise has become a partner to supply propeller shafts and various auto parts to a number of global major brands such as Volvo, Scania, MAN, Mercedes-Benz, Iveco, and European Truck Global brands. 대덕 Machinery has built up its reputation through quality control and differentiated quality development. We have invested heavily in R&D activities. In 2016, we established the Corporate Research Institute. Through constant research and development, we develop differentiated products. We are a technological innovation company with ISO 9001 main certified by international quality certification such as BIS and with its own technology know-how. Our product lifetime, unmatched by any other corporation, has been proved through numerous experiments and verification. Through this, we are growing as a global provider to export our propeller shaft products in many global countries. 대덕's person's mission is to be the most thorough in terms of quality, leading to spare parts distribution business. Based on know-how that has been repaired and replaced parts for a long time, we select excellent products and parts from other companies. The Spare Parts Distribution Division, which accurately grasps customer needs and provides customized solutions in one place, is well received by many customers. Propeller shafts. Our propeller shafts are supplied to Volvo and MAN Korea service centers, which have superior durability and high quality than the other company's products through 30 years of know-how. It also occupies the first place in the domestic aftermarket share of European vehicles. Brake system. Since any products will relate the customer's lives, components of the products are supplied at perfect condition with no errors. Steering system. Steering system products, which changes the operating direction at the same time of decreasing rotation speed of handles, and transmits linked components, will try to maximize customer safety and convenience. Suspension system. Suspension system is 대덕 Machinery tried to continue as a global automobile component firm, which maximizes the car passenger's safety and convenience in developing new products. Our firm with our customers in more higher value, win-win growth. Communicated with our customers. Prepared firm with only quality. Automobile components specified manufacturing firm. We are 대덕 Machinery.